First of all, thank you to PhD CCI, Billy ma'am, Pradeep Gupta ji for giving me the stage. This program is about Delhi Dialogue, a story about women. A story about women, my mother, Usha. It was way back in 1977 when man was IPS. And my family, Bhatia family, was a great follower of man. कि अपना बच्चा होगा तो किरण बेदी की तरह नाम रोशन करेगा हमारा और मैं पैदा होगी और मेरा नाम रख दिया किरण नहीं और बोला ये किरण भाटिया के बी किरण बेदी किरण भाटिया के बी तो आपको ये करना 2 महीने की भी नहीं या 1 दिन की भी नहीं बट माइंड में शुरू से फीड किया गया आपको अपनी फैमिली का नाम किरण बेदी की तरह रोशन करना है इसी थॉट से मैं ग्रो हुई पर वो बच्चे थे ना तो समझ नहीं आता था क्यों मुझे किरण बेदी बुलाते हैं मैं तो किरण भाटिया हूँ मेरा नाम किरण भाटिया हूँ इससे मेरी आइडेंटिटी क्यों छीन रहे हो मुझे बुरा लगता था यार मेरे को भाटिया बुलाया करो एनीवेज आई ग्रो and I became an HR person. I think people sing and the fighting spirit was something I gained from my mother. And fast track in 2021, I lost both my parents. First in May 21, my mother, and then in October 21, my father. And then I realized in December कि मैंने किया क्या अपनी जिंदगी के साथ 25 साल कभी CHR रही हूँ कभी जर्मनी रही हूँ US रही हूँ I have really lived a fabulous life and the good ranks but where were they? Where are they? I come from a family where my dad was an auto driver and my mom was a homemaker. And I grew the ranks and became a speaker and to coaching a lot of students. Then I realized I think कुछ तो करना है. Then I thought I will write a book and I started writing कि मुझे अपनी कहानी लिखनी है. मैं लिखने बैठी थी मुझे याद आया जैसे लिखा समझ आया हीरो तो मैं हुई नहीं हीरो तो मेरी मम्मी है. And that's how the story of came into picture. And I proudly say that this book was launched last year, 15th October 2015. फिर याद आया अरे तो मैंने इंग्लिश में निकाल दी ये हाउसवाइफ तो सारी हिंदी पढ़ती है मुझे कुछ हिंदी में भी करना पड़ेगा. And मैं I will try to reach out to you in last 1.5 years कि आप मेरे लिए forward लिख दो. In heaven my mother will be seeing this dream come true that I'm talking about her in front of you. And yeah, it is coming true now. I think I'm so thankful, Millie ma'am, that you gave me this opportunity. Now I want to talk about what influence it has. After writing this book, I also realized that a lot of us need a voice to be heard. In working in a corporate world and in HR profession, I realized complain करना ना सबको आता है, किसी को change करना नहीं आता, किसी को appreciate करना नहीं आता. I formulated a NGO or a firm called InSpeak. What we do here is we pick up stories of people and we said you are struggling in life. I give you pat on the back. We celebrate your life. We celebrate life of everyone who's living and who's struggling, and we give them pat on the back. कहीं पे एक नज ही चाहिए होता है. And that's something we provide. What was happening is when I was writing my English book, I was just writing, crying, and I had my 2 little munchkins following me. And when the day I gave my book to my publisher, and they gave it me, ये हमारा भी है. इसलिए ये क्या है? मैंने जो आपने किया था ये हमारा भी है. So ये मैंने तो book लिखी है, हमने भी तो book ही लिखी है ना. It's like okay, then I just published. I proudly say my kids. They are also in published office.
Very nice, very nice.
And
अब दोनों इधर आओ, दोनों जने आओ.
and then I would also call Akshar.
Come here. Come here, both of you. Next to your mom and.
When they have also prepared a speech.
अच्छा, now let's leave it again. This book has to be released again. Come, hold it together. Yeah. See, this is your book, isn't it? Lovely.
I would call Akshar as well. Oh,
What is this?
there. So he is the kid I mentored. So what I do now, I see that they are the future of the nation. So their books as well, I think. And now I mentor all the kids who can write and who can speak and mind and bring a better nation.
Give the book in the hand.
Yes, ma'am.
दिखाओ. तुमने लिखी? सारी इकट्ठी करेंगे, ठीक है? समझे नहीं खोलो अपनी बुक अपनी दिखा। More than one author here. There is an author and authors.
We are authors by accident.
And these are budding authors. And these are your children.
These are my kids, these my
Mentor.
mentor.
Your next.
Family of authors. And I would invite anyone who thinks that every child is unique. If you think that you need a platform, I don't charge anyone. I love working with kids. If you have a kid, please let me know. I would love to mentor my mother built me, and I want to build many such me kids, and I want to do the multiplier effect.
Thank you so much. Thank you, children. Thank you.
Okay, Minima, do you want to do this speech?
I think kids have prepared something, so let's hear them.